All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. This is camping 2024. Father and son camping.
Go from the other way.
And we're just heading out, just packing up. There's Salahuddin.
Backpacks have more room than us.
These are big backpacks. This is what we're gonna be using with all our belongings. We're gonna be eating in like, I don't know, bag foods, which with hot water, you just boil it and put that in. I'm done with that. So the last day we're gonna celebrate with some burger patties. I already got it taken care of right here. All right, can't we put that at the front?
No.
This guy's excited.
First time. This is
Super
his
excited.
first time.
Yeah.
We're experienced players at this game.
Yeah.
Of backpacking. Easy.
All right, guys. We'll see you at our next stop. So the trip started out for me from Troy, Michigan, and you just take 75 north all the way up. Now I'm talking going through Grand Blanc, then Saginaw, then you going all the way to Mackinac Island, past Mackinac Island, into Upper Peninsula. And once you get to Upper Peninsula, you have to cross the border into Sault Ste. Marie, take the road right along Lake Superior to Ottawa Bay, and then you take this dirt road all the way to the trailhead of Towab Trail.
2 bananas, anybody? Yeah, guys, 2 bananas, 1 pineapple.
One pineapple. I need a pineapple.
Where's your fleece? You put it in?
I'll give you half.
I will comply with these people's requests.
Once we got to the trailhead, it is very important to huddle the group up and just talk about basic rules. What happens in the case of emergency? What if a bear pops up? How would you protect yourself? And so on. After that, we went along with our journey, and our first stop was right next to the water. And here, only thing I would say is you must make sure that if it's a father and son trip, make sure your children know how to swim.
Very cool.
I know. I thought you guys said we were gonna take a break. But a lot of beautiful spots right along the trail where we could just take a break and admire the creation of Allah.
From here.
Yeah, go.
Follow him. Abdullah, be careful, please.
Oh, this is not messing around here.
Go from here. Yeah, come from here, please. Don't follow Abdullah.
Yeah, you're not like Abdullah.
Wait, why don't we go
You
from
don't
here?
want to be like Abdullah.
Wait, why don't we go from here? Like this rock.
It's slippery,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh.
There were definitely some spots where you couldn't just walk in the park. You had to hold hands, and basically it was a team effort just to even climb some of these areas, some of the very slippery parts. So I must say this was one of the hardest trails that I've ever done. You know, tomorrow we're gonna go backwards.
The shoes.
Yeah, that's
One of the best parts of the trip was that we could take a break right along the stream and basically do ablution, do wudu there right before prayer. We got a chance to pray Jummah right at the trail, and also a perfect time to take a quick nap.
Getting close.
Supposedly campsite is close by. I just don't see any waterfall. We were told the campsite will be right next to the waterfall, and I don't even hear waterfall. When we got close to the campsite, we could hear the waterfall, and it was a little bit distant from the campsite, but you could see it and definitely hear it.
No, I'm just saying.
There's something that is very mesmerizing about water. Just listening to the sound of water, everybody just relaxes. And even though it was a very tiring trip and a very hard trail that all of us did as a team, it was a very good time to just enjoy the waterfall, listen to the sound of waterfall, and just relax right next to the water.
It's not mine.
Mine.
Oh, yes.
That's good.
Are you going to Bahamas? Yeah, man.
You tell me you want it. This might be a little.
Look at that smile. First time backpacking, so excited.
So excited.
Let me put on my
Yeah, no picture box.
Oh yeah, this is not going down. Because it's good now. Put all your weight on it.
It's a break, bro.
Go. I mean, walk with.
Don't forget that the mountain that you climb down on the trail, well, on your way back, you have to go up as well. And it was actually somewhat challenging returning back to the trailhead where we all started. But as soon as we got there, we got a big celebration. Everybody welcomed us, especially me and a couple other brothers.
Hey.
I congratulate everyone.
Alhamdulillah.
That's a lot of work. A lot of work.
Alright. Alright, you made it.
I was the first one, by the way, by 5 minutes. Just turn it off. Let's go. Let's go to a gas station right now. Hold on, let's go. I was the first one.
Good job, man. Good job.
Now the trip is taking a total turn. We're gonna go right next to the beach. No more running around, no more walking 12 miles or so. We're gonna be relaxing right next to the beach. And remember those patties that I had promised? Well, we got to have some amazing patties. No more powdered food where you have to add hot water. This was real food.
Okay, say it's.
Yeah. Give me that chamuch now.
Whoa, it's clean already.
Give me that.
Taki uncle is though. Get some sand. Like that.
No, you have to keep the sand in and rub it in.
Rub it in.
Yeah, like that.
Finding some gold.
Good enough, man. Yeah, no soap needed.
Yeah, most of the time for these you won't need it.
Yeah, especially this one. We just.
ये तो आप boil कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, इसमें तो पानी ही था बस.
इसके ऊपर देना थोड़ा ये.
A quick game of football with uncles versus the youth. The uncles obviously always win.
We'll start from here. We'll start from here. You can't stop us. Let me do it.
I don't want to even move, man. I'm
We're going the other way.
Give away the ball.
Come up ready one-on-one.
You guys ready? Hold on. Ready? Set, hit. Please. Go. You got it. Man, Taki, come on now.
इतना जल्दी क्यों फेंक रहे हैं? Let everybody get.
मोइस करता हुआ जा रहा है. Wow.
Mickey! Oh yeah! Yes! Come on, baby! Who's on now? Who's on now?
Abdullah, go there. You
Who's on?
Okay, हम लोग defense में.
Come on!
Where, bro? Get him!
Run!
Beautiful part about this beach was we got to see the sunset and pray right next to the sunset and have a quick halakha and a reminder and just, you know, what we did good as a team, what can we improve for next time. A very good discussion, and we ended off the night with a beautiful campfire.
Well, best way to finish off the trip is lots of rain.